حسنت جميع خصاله صلوا عليه وآله. He was a shelter for the orphans and poor. He is my only ticket for the heaven door. He confirmed that was all them before. When the whole world do I love him more. I swear if I only had a chance to go back in time for one glance at the face of Muhammad Amin, I would wonder whether I've had a dream. I would wonder whether I've had a dream. بلغ العلا بكماله كشف الدجى بجماله حسنت جميع خصاله صلوا عليه وآله. بلغ العلا بكماله كشف الدجى بجماله حسنت جميع خصاله صلوا عليه وآله. صلوا